Morning, Agent Engine Carbon Clean. We've got a Toyota Hilux. This one's just running in at 236,000 on the clock. Now, this one's been booked in because of black smoke issues. What we found on inspection when we got to this one, there's a couple of splits in the intake pipe, so we can get a new pipe ordered. It's also running very, very cold, so this needs a thermostat. Both those bits are going to get ordered, and then basically needs a new air filter, needs an oil change as well. We're giving it a clean, try and get it as warm as we can, get it cleaned up, and then get that thermostat done, get the intake pipe done, and that should hopefully, fingers crossed, sort out the black smoke issue. Other than that, there's no obvious rattles, very little we can do with this in terms of diagnostics because of the age. It's a 2000, 2.4 diesel. Yeah, giving it a clean up with those bits and pieces done, that black smoke should hopefully disappear. Definitely thermostats, need to keep an eye on those. If you've got a vehicle, you can see that it's running cold and permanently running cold, it will overfuel to compensate. Your fuel economy will go down and your emissions will go up. It can also affect MOT. It will fail MOT if it gets cold enough. So definitely get those sorted out if you find them. Got about another 25 minutes to go on this and then get it back out on the road.